everybody knows, the person listening knows that physical movement is so important to overall health.
That's right.
Helps the cells of the body, all the cells work more effectively and efficiently.
Okay.
And cardio helps your cardiovascular system be more resilient.
Okay, yeah.
And do you know what the number one cause of death in America is?
Heart attack.
Yeah, it is. And 30% of people, their first sign of heart disease is sudden death.
Fire your fitness plan. It's Hunt for Wellness, episode number 212. Hello, welcome to Hunt for Wellness. I am John Hunt.
And I'm Christy Hunt.
And this is the show where we help you live your best life, mind, body, and spirit. This episode of Hunt for Wellness brought to you by waterdistillers.com. Great machines providing great water for your great wellness. Check it out at waterdistillers.com. Are you all fired up now?
I am fired up.
You're fired up, or
Yes.
you're going to fire your fitness plan?
Well, it depends upon what your fitness plan is.
Right. So if I don't like my fitness plan, I'd say, you're out of here.
Or if you do like your fitness plan, you can just fire it up a bit.
Yeah.
Adding
Stoke it
some
up.
more stuff.
Some wood on the fire, so to speak.
Yeah, to energize your endurance,
Good.
expedite recovery, and elevate your overall wellness.
Oh, I like that.
Doesn't
That's
that
good.
sound good?
Sounds phenomenal.
Yes,
All
because everybody knows, the person listening knows that physical movement is so important to overall health.
That's right.
Helps the cells of the body, all the cells work more effectively and efficiently.
Okay.
And cardio helps your cardiovascular system be more resilient.
Okay, yeah.
And do you know what the number one cause of death in America is?
Heart attack.
Yeah, it is. And 30% of people, their first sign of heart disease is sudden death. So, you have to be prepared. Be prepared. Make sure your heart is healthy, your body is healthy, so you can live long and strong.
Okay, but how do all of this tie into essential oils? Because that's what this show is about, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
I mean, but everything kind of ties together, right? That's why we say mind, body, and spirit. Mm-hmm. There's a lot going on here.
Right. So we're going to talk about first energizing your endurance.
Okay.
So you need to have high levels of energy for effective workouts. And we're talking about more high intensity workouts.
Okay. Not
just your walk. I mean, your walk is great. And you do need energy for that too. So
right.
Either one. But an aerobic workout of running or power walking, again, like I said, it helps the heart be more resilient in adjusting to cardiovascular changes. Helps your blood pressure be more normal, which we're going to talk about in the future.
Nice.
Which is so good. And one of the ways to do that is with NingXia Red.
Well, look at here. I happen to have some right here for those of you who are watching. For those of you who aren't, just take a listen. So good.
Okay, NingXia Red's a natural energy booster.
It is. It's good.
It's got really high antioxidants and essential nutrients. And we use it right before we work out.
That's right.
Every day. And usually sometime in the afternoon, we have a little mocktail with NingXia.
Yes, you got it.
But so it's got, it's powered with wolfberries and pure essential oils. So it gives you a natural boost to your energy. It doesn't give you that crash that energy drinks do.
Right, because they're full of sugar.
Right, and caffeine.
Yep.
This does not have that. It's got antioxidants, which combats oxidative stress, which can be elevated with intense workouts. Mm-hmm. And it assists you in recovery and overall health. NingXia Red is also full of nutrients. It's got superfruits, antioxidants, essential oils that help support muscle function and endurance.
Wow. Sounds like a ninja warrior. That's why a lot of people, I think, call this NingXia Red. Either that or they don't know how to pronounce it. But
yeah, that's right. They don't
NingXia.
really. Yes. And, sometimes we always take it before we work out, but sometimes if I had a really tough workout, I can remember my butt was kicked by that workout.
Yep.
I had another shot of NingXia, just 1 ounce. It just like totally helped me move forward.
Yeah.
I literally came home, sat down, and I did not want to move. I was so tired. And just had John poured me another shot. I didn't even want to get up and pour it myself. And it just totally make a huge difference.
Yes.
So, do you remember that?
I do. Very well.
And it also is immune support. So exercise can temporarily lower your immune system, and the NingXia Red's ingredients support the immune function to help you keep it strong and healthy. So you can use it before, you can use it after, you can use it both. You know, it's great.
You can use it during, to put it in your water bottle instead of water, a meal.
Sure. But we have another idea for putting it in your water.
Of course.
So, yeah. The other thing to enhance your energy or endurance is peppermint. Young Living's Peppermint Essential Oil. And it is so good. It like boosts your energy and alertness. Have you ever been working out and you're zoning out in your mind? Like you're maybe on the treadmill and you're just like, wait, what? What was I supposed to be doing? It helps you maintain your alertness so you can like keep, how many reps am I doing? Or
is it because it gives you more oxygen? I mean, it opens you up and boy, that oxygen can pour in.
Yeah, it just really opens the respiratory tract. It invigorates the brain, the senses, gives you clarity and alertness. You can put it on your chest or just on your hands and then cup it over your nose and mouth and breathe it in. So it feels so good, especially to sore muscles too.
Yes. And you know, we have a lot of friends who are not into it as much, but they're into pickleball. And
Yes.
they love this before their pickleball games because it gives them that energy they need to win. So if you're into pickleball, you better try out NingXia Red.
Also, if you have sore muscles, you want to dilute peppermint, and you can rub it on the sore muscles. There was a time that you put it on after a shower.
Yes.
Without dilution.
It was a little hot.
Do you remember that?
I do. I still remember that little kind of like a stinging sensation. But you put the carrier oil on it. And
yeah, like V6 oil.
And that gets rid of it right away.
Yeah. Because you were like, my legs are absolutely burning because he did not use the carrier oil.
Yeah.
So, and it was right after a shower, which opens things up. So anyways, NingXia Red and Peppermint Essential Oil are great for enhancing your energy. Okay. How about expediting your muscle recovery?
Ooh, that sounds pretty...
Doesn't that?
Well, it sounds really good because I can tell you after some of these workouts, my muscles are pretty shot.
Yeah.
Which they should be. That's actually good.
It's
not a bad thing.
Except you don't want to be totally exhausted.
Right.
So it's important to have recovery and repair because your muscles need to repair and then grow. So especially after strength training, you need to give your muscles a rest, and the repair process helps your muscles get stronger and adapt to greater challenges because you kind of broke them down when you're lifting really heavy weights, which we all should be doing to protect our bones as we age. And so they need a little bit of rest. And also this rest recovery helps prevent injury. So allowing adequate time for your body to recover and stretch so that you don't get injured. You don't strain the muscles. And you shouldn't work out every single day.
Right.
Take some rest days in between. If you're like one of those mega workout people, give yourself some rest. And it also restores your energy levels when you rest. So exercise depletes your glycogen stores, and which is your primary fuel that your body uses during physical activity, and allow those stores to be replenished so you have good energy for your next workout. Also, taking a break reduces your muscle soreness, and using stretching using essential oils or essential oil products helps alleviate that muscle soreness and stiffness. And so here's something that we like to use is the Cool Azul Sports Gel.
Oh my goodness, that's magical.
So
It's
that
wonderful.
really helps comfort those aching muscles that have been worked out. Or if you strained it somehow, it helps that too.
Yeah, it does.
So it's got peppermint in it, wintergreen in it. It has a cooling effect.
Yeah. Kind of like an ice pack. Almost.
Right. Yeah. So it helps relieve that muscle tension. And it's not greasy. It's a lightweight, and it just rubs in really easy. And helps you recover and keep active.
Love it.
Keep active.
This is like my the greatest products of the year because I use all of these.
Like almost every day.
You're doing this episode for me, aren't you?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Good.
Well, it's the beginning of the year.
It is.
So we like to do stuff that relates to the season of the year. And AminoWise, that is another supplement that we add to our water bottles when we work out.
For during the workout.
Right.
But you can take it afterwards too because it's kind of rebuilds and replenishes the amino acids, right?
Yes. So it's AminoWise for amino acids. It also has polyphenols and antioxidants, which protect the cells from damage and fight inflammation for recovery. So it has those cell protecting qualities to it. And then it has a hydration mineral blend because, we sweat, we lose electrolytes, and so it helps replace those. And it's great either during your workout or after your workout. Or you can also use this on like hot days, when you're outside a lot. You could use this every single day, adding a scoop to your water once a day just for electrolytes. So it's made a big difference for us, hasn't it?
We love the AminoWise. It's another great product that really helps, especially in the fitness and the energy level, because we're talking about getting more energy, right?
Yeah. And I know we've told this story before, but I'm just going to tell it again.
Might as well.
Yeah. Working outside, really hot, sweating a whole bunch, doing some yard work, mega yard work. And we literally depleted ourselves.
Started to crash.
Yeah. We were like, okay, I think I need to go lay down now. And we just did a water bottle, a scoop of AminoWise with like 16 ounces or maybe 24 ounces of water, something like that. Drank that down and literally zoom up went the energy, and we could work for another several hours.
Yeah.
Now that was the first time that had happened. Usually when the energy crashes, it stays crashed. It used to until I got AminoWise, and it made a huge difference in that. So, okay, then the third thing is to enhance overall wellness and immunity. And the reason you want to do that is because how often has it happened to you? You start a workout routine, you just get into the workout routine, and then you get sick. And you're like, I can't work out anymore. Has that ever happened to you, John?
Oh, yeah.
And then it's so hard to get back into it.
Yeah.
So you need to keep yourself well.
Yes.
And we keep ourselves pretty well.
Pretty well. And if you get sick, you get back in there as soon as you can, so you're not spreading germs. But you don't have to do full effort workouts right away. You just kind of ease yourself back into it.
Yeah. But some ways to stay healthy.
Yes.
Well, NingXia Red, which we already talked about, helps your immune system. Also, Thieves Essential Oil Blend.
Yes. We use that all the time, too.
That has immune boosting properties. It's got clove, lemon, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. And it helps really maintain wellness during seasonal changes like the winter season.
Yes.
We got a lot of people around us that are kind of sick.
Yep.
And we don't want to be that way.
We do not.
So, using Thieves regularly, literally putting it on your feet or your hands and breathing it in every day during times of heightened sickness around you, you can stay. Oh, dear. You need some more Thieves. Yeah. And you can diffuse it, help everybody in the environment. Be well, stay well. And you can also put some drops of Thieves Essential Oil in water and gargle with it if you feel like your throat is bothering you.
You can use Thieves in so many different ways.
Yes. So I have a friend that she would get sick, super sick every Christmas, every Thanksgiving, and miss the holiday. And it happened year by year by year. Another friend of ours, told her about Thieves. And she started using Thieves literally every single day. She'd put it on morning and night on her feet. And she also drinks NingXia Red every day too, which is also supporting her wellness. She doesn't miss a holiday anymore. It's fantastic.
Doesn't get sick very often.
No. So it's great. Okay, one other supplement to support overall wellness is OmegaGize 3.
Oh.
That is a super powerful supplement with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D3, CoQ10. And these synergistically work together to support the heart, the brain, joint health, which of course you need during fitness. Mm-hmm. It helps your cardiovascular health, reduces inflammation. And D3 is important for bone health, immune health, and CoQ10 is an antioxidant that helps boost energy production in our cells, supports healthy aging, and everybody is aging.
Yes, we are.
Whether you are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, whatever. So it helps your body stay healthy, strong, and vibrant so you can keep working out.
Love it.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So anything else you want to add before we wrap it up here?
So, okay, just in review.
Okay.
So we're going to energize our endurance with NingXia Red and Peppermint.
Yep.
We're going to expedite our recovery with Cool Azul Sports Gel and AminoWise.
Yep.
And we're going to elevate our overall wellness with Thieves Essential Oil and OmegaGize 3.
I love it. What a great plan.
Yeah.
And if anyone needs to find out anything about this, they can go over to huntforwellness.com, episode number 212. We'll have links to those products, but also we have a connect button. If you have questions on this or want to know what's right for you, reach out. We'd love to chat with you and help you figure out ways to put on fire that workout or exercise routine. Mm-hmm. Well, this episode of Hunt for Wellness is brought to you by waterdistillers.com. Great machines providing great water for your great wellness. Check it out at waterdistillers.com. And, these are a lot of great products. We've talked about these on other episodes before, but I think if you don't know the background to Thieves, you should really check out one of our episodes. I'm actually going to link it right up here, and you could find out more about the Thieves and the background of it, and it's used in so many of the products. So check that out as well, and we'll check you out after your next workout on our next episode of Hunt for Wellness.